Hey everyone, Ryan Nielsen here. Thank you so much again for taking the time to check out my channel. Here today to tell you about MailerGPT. It launched yesterday and this particular launch ends on Sunday, April 9th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. This is a brand new app that writes and sends unlimited profit pooling emails to unlimited subscribers for you, all with no monthly fee ever. Amazing. Finally, 4 extra email opens, clicks, and traffic, promote affiliate offers and earn commissions, sell more products and services online, and begin customer relationship with follow-up emails. So this sounds like a really over-the-top glorified autoresponder. So let's see what this is all about. So MailerGPT. MailerGPT is a futuristic email marketing technology packed with tons of groundbreaking features that make it a cut above the rest. It's the world's first AI email marketing software that writes, designs, and delivers unlimited profitable emails for maximum traffic, clicks, and sales. MailerGPT is the ultimate email marketing solution. So it's a must-have software for digital marketers, business owners, social media marketers, agencies, enterprise-level businesses, e-com sellers, startups, brands, digital product sellers, affiliate marketers, coaches and consultants, local businesses, and anyone doing anything online. So at any time during this review of MailerGPT, if you want to go ahead and come to this bonus page, click the link in the description below this video. It'll take you directly here. Before we get any deeper into this and the prices and upsells and all the amazing bonuses that you will get just by picking up your copy of MailerGPT, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to them so they can give you a quick demo. It's less than 4 minutes. And then when we come back, we'll take a deeper dive and take a look at all the details on the prices, the OTOs, and bonuses.
It has never been easier to create engaging and high-quality email campaigns for marketing, sales, promotion, or many more, and drive higher opens, clicks, and conversions. But with MailerGPT, it's easy, fast. Replace your old-school email marketing techniques with this cutting-edge solution that powers your business in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Log in and enter a keyword. Log into your MailerGPT account and just enter the desired keyword for which you want to send an email. Step 2. Generate. MailerGPT generates engaging, high-quality, and profitable email in seconds. Step 3. Send and profit. Send unlimited email to your subscriber or schedule it for later. No email writing, no designer, no freelancer, no third-party apps or other techie stuff. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With MailerGPT, you can do much more. Upload a list without any restrictions. To begin with, all you need to do is upload your subscriber list into this monster. Import limited lists without losing a single email ID. Or you can also add subscribers one by one, or copy and paste them in one shot. Craft engaging emails using just one keyword. MailerGPT AI creates an engaging, high-quality, personalized email and subject line using the keyword on which want to craft email for your campaign. Send unlimited emails to your subscribers. Once AI craft email for you. Set up an email campaign with a few clicks of a mouse and you can send unlimited emails right away or schedule them for a later date and time. Use AI-enabled smart tags to segment your subscribers and exclusive emails. Using this latest AI feature, you can assign tags to your subscribers and segment them in a very simple manner. Now you can send emails exclusively to the subscribers related to any smart tag or group. Build an inline editor to craft the best emails. Create simple text emails or HTML emails with our live inline editor feature to send the best emails for maximum engagement. Collect maximum leads with built-in lead form. Attract more potential subscribers by adding a lead form on your blog, e-commerce sites, WordPress sites, or any other landing page. All you need to do is copy one line of code and paste it onto your site. All famous SMTP integration to send unlimited emails every month. MailerGPT's all the famous SMTP integration option, where you also can set up your own SMTP within seconds to send unlimited mails every month. Manage your subscribers hassle-free. MailerGPT offers you the easiest way to find, filter, or clean your subscribers' never-ending list. Track duplicate entries and create a backup of your list in no time with it. Tons of email and form templates. MailerGPT is loaded with tons of email and lead form templates to supercharge your emails marketing and lead generation. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-the-art solution, and I'm sure that you will love it. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting and buying any third-party writing tool. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast, cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.
Alright, we're back to show you the prices and upsells. So the front end for MailerGPT is $24 for the self version, and then the commercial version is $27. So these are all the things that you're going to get just by picking up your front end copy of MailerGPT. And what comes with a commercial is these 3 extra things at the bottom. Commercial license, you can use it for your clients, and you can provide high in demand services as a commercial provider. OTO number 1, there's a couple of options here. You can get the Pro monthly for $37 a month, or the Pro one time for $77. There's also a downsell option, the MailerGPT Lite for $47. You've got OTO number 2, which is an automation setup for personal use or commercial use. OTO number 3 is the agency unlimited client license and the white label license. So you can decide between the two, whether you just want to be able to start your own marketing agency and get unlimited business rights, and or if you want to white label it, it'll cost you more to add your own branding and your own logo and product name. OTO number 4 is the reseller 100 license or the reseller unlimited license. There's also a bundle offer, which there is a webinar. If you want to watch it, you can click the link here for the webinar. And if you want to get the link to the page for the bundle, because the bundle is going to be your best value if you're interested not just in the front end, and you're also interested in all the one-time offers up to one-time offer number 4, you can get it all for $297. But if you go inside and watch the webinar replay, then there'll be a special coupon for extra $50 off. I'm not going to tell you what the coupon code is. You'll have to go and watch it to see. So you can get all of the front end and the OTOs just for a coupon less than $297. And then they also have one-time offer premium membership. Unleash the full power of MailerGPT with OPPYO. Now, OPPYO and MailerGPT is a really good way to maximize all of your value in regards to being able to create unlimited, beautiful, mobile-friendly, and fast-loading landing pages. There's so many things that they've listed here, and I think that would be something that you're looking into as an agency or a business that is wanting to sell these services. This is a fantastic membership opportunity. So I've got a link here to the replay of the webinar if you want to go and watch it. It's about an hour long or less, And then if you decide to get your copy, just even getting the front end, either the self or the commercial, you'll get access to all of the bonuses listed below. Bonus number 1 is email marketing basics. Bonus number 2 is a ChatGPT masterclass. Bonus number 3 is viral list autopilot. Bonus number 4 is the no list secret, where you can make this a way of building a business asset without having to spend money. If you don't have an email list, this is a really great class. And then lastly, the bonuses from the vendor. The vendor bonuses, they're over here on the sales page. If you click the link in the description below this video, it'll take you to this bonus page. And if you click on any of these yellow buttons, orangish, yellowish, orangish mostly, buttons, it'll take you directly to the sales page. And I've queued up a sales page where the bonuses are. And here are the vendor bonuses. Bonus number 1 is email marketing done for you business with complete PLR rights. Bonus number 2 is progressive list building done for you business with PLR rights, which is private label rights. Bonus number 3 is affiliate marketing made easy. And then bonus number 4 is auto video creator. Create your own professional videos. So I failed to mention that some of these bonuses that I'm giving you also have PLR attached to them, which are the bonus number 1 and bonus number 3. Those have PLR rights as well. So you get complete download and rights to be able to sell this as your own. And this is all on the JVZoo platform. So if you decide to pick up your copy, you'll go into the JVZoo platform, you'll click in there and to purchase, and then they'll send you an email to confirm your purchase, and they'll send you an email back. Just click the green button to access your purchase, and then there's going to be a blue, I know this is kind of tiny, but this is a little blue code here that you will click on that'll give you access to my bonuses. So thanks so much for taking the time to check out my review of MailerGPT. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this all the way through with the demo. And if you want to go ahead and watch the webinar, again, there's a link up here inside of the bonus page where you can go and watch the replay if you'd like to do that. And check out the bundle because it's actually the best offer. The best value if you want to get all of the OTOs. Otherwise, please, if you like what you see here, click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified of all my upcoming digital product reviews, information reviews, training reviews, and services. Thank you so much and make it a great day.